Hi everyone, and welcome to Full Body Health. Today, we're going to be talking about the secret science of the Mediterranean diet. This diet has been around for centuries, and it's been shown to have a number of health benefits. In this video, I'm going to explain what the Mediterranean diet is, why it's so good for you, and how you can start following it today. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that's inspired by the traditional cuisines of countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's characterized by its focus on plant-based foods, healthy fats, and limited amounts of meat, dairy, and processed foods. Some of the key foods that are included in the Mediterranean diet include fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, olive oil, fish, beans, and legumes, yogurt. Why is the Mediterranean diet so good for you? There are a number of reasons why the Mediterranean diet is so good for your health. First, it's rich in nutrients that are essential for good health. For example, fruits and vegetables are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates that give you sustained energy. Nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats. Second, the Mediterranean diet has been shown to help protect against a number of chronic diseases, including heart disease, stroke, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. This is likely due to the fact that it's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Third, the Mediterranean diet is a sustainable way of eating. It's not restrictive, and it's based on foods that are readily available in most parts of the world. How to start following the Mediterranean diet? If you're interested in starting to follow the Mediterranean diet, there are a few things you can do. First, make sure you're familiar with the key foods that are included in the diet. Then start to incorporate these foods into your meals more often. You can also try cooking some of the traditional dishes from Mediterranean countries. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Aim to have at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains are a good source of fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Use olive oil as your main source of fat. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Eat fish at least twice a week. Fish is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health. Limit your intake of red meat and processed meats. Red meat and processed meats are high in saturated fat, which can increase your risk of heart disease. Enjoy moderate amounts of dairy. Dairy can be a healthy part of the Mediterranean diet, but it's important to choose low-fat or fat-free options. Snack on nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a healthy and satisfying snack option. The Mediterranean diet is a healthy and sustainable way of eating that has been shown to have a number of health benefits. If you're looking for a way to improve your health, the Mediterranean diet is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to Full Body Health for more videos about health and wellness.